Welcome and thank you for viewing the Primrose Retirement Community's tutorial video on how to join a virtual meeting using Microsoft Teams. We look forward to meeting you virtually on the upcoming meeting or webinar and want to ensure you have the best experience possible. This short tutorial will take you through the basic steps of joining an online meeting through your web browser. Let's get started by opening the email you received and clicking on the link. So this is the email. We're going to open that up, and most of the emails will look like this, and there's a link right here that says join Microsoft Teams meeting. This big and purple one. As soon as you click on that, it's going to open in a new tab, and you're going to get a prompt like this. So this wants you to open the application. You can just hit cancel on that, and then right here it says continue on this browser. And the next prompt is going to say allow or block for your microphone and camera. So you want to allow that. And then there's the guy representing you right now in this meeting. So you have a couple of things you can do here. You can enter your name, just like so. And you could hit join. You can also turn your camera off. You can turn your microphone off. You can turn them both on. And then whenever you're ready, you hit join now. And now I admit you in here. And there you are. You are now connected to this. It says your microphone is muted. You can mute or unmute that. Turn your camera on or off. You can raise your hand, start a conversation in the group, see who else is in the conversation, and hang up on it when you're done. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.